What's going on, everybody? It's Kyle here, home with Buffingtons. You're probably asking me, what in the world is Kyle doing? Well, I'm about to do something for the first time ever. Buck up some firewood. I think that's how you say it. Buck firewood. Where you chop it. Not chop it, but cut it with a chainsaw. I'm going to use my DeWalt 60V chainsaw for the first time. You remember me showing you the... hello, text. Well, you remember all that wood that was inside the cedar mulch that I had for free? Well, I'm going to chop all those logs up. I'm going to buck them up. I think you're supposed to do it in like 16 inches or 18 inches long. We have a fire pit that my mother-in-law gave us. So I'm going to, use the saw, so I'm going to use the saw to chop up this firewood on the ones that are over, 16, 18 inches long, and see how it goes. So let's get to it. So I made a shorts on this a long time ago when I bought it, and I just haven't used it yet. So this is the 60V lithium ion DeWalt FlexVolt brushless 16-inch bar chainsaw. I'm not going to bore you with the opening and all that stuff, so I'm just going to get it out and then we'll put it to the test. Now the only bad thing is I don't have anything to cut them like the log split or anything. Ben's gonna tell me to get a hatchet or an axe or something. Bye. That worked out well. Seems like it's cutting good. It came with a battery and a charger, and I already had a battery for the 60V string trimmer, so I'm using that battery. So that's cool. 9 amp hours or something like that. Big old thick ones. I guess I'm gonna have to ask if anyone has a lock splitter. Mike Morgan calls this man glitter. I'm sure lots of guys do, but I watch Mike Morgan. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw them in the bucket, obviously, and then I'm going to take them around in the backyard and dump them, let them start drying underneath the lean-to. This will all be just for a fire pit, campfire type of little pit thing my mother-in-law gave us. So this won't be going in the house or anything. Thing's definitely eating through this wood anyway. This is cedar. Yeah, remember you gotta turn these over when it binds. Oh, or that. Alright, so we'll go for a little ride. wish I would have put 10-foot gates in, or 12-foot instead of just 8. Hindsight. Alright, we're going to take this last load over there and then dump it. You definitely want to not be doing that on the ground. You definitely see what people are saying now about that. Right. Big Red's at 48.4 hours, almost top of that 50-hour maintenance. I'll be doing that myself. You guys might have saw me do my 8-hour maintenance on my bad boy rebel mower. If not, you guys can check that out if you're interested. This is my first time ever cutting wood, ever. I mean, I sawed some tree branches before with a pole saw, as you guys might have seen. Check out that video. But this is my first time doing anything like this. Now, obviously, some of those are probably too big to be going into a fire pit. Maybe they're not, I don't know. Leave it in the comments if all that stuff that I just cut up would be fine put in a fire pit. My fire pit will hold about 24 inches long. Put Big Red back up. Good job, Big Red. Alright guys, there it is. DeWalt 16-inch with 60-volt max batteries. It's brushless. It used one light on the charge for that firewood. It never bogged down if it was anything I was letting off the trigger, because I was worried about hitting the concrete. But you see the man glitter all over the place. It did a great job. I'm very impressed with it. Had lots of power. You know, this isn't a review or anything, but I don't see how anyone couldn't like using this around the house. You know, you wouldn't want this to, of course, be your main saw if it was like up north or anything, but you saw what I'm going to be doing. Hardly ever using it. I got 4 trees I know I got to cut down behind the house or behind the shop. I'm pretty confident that it will be able to handle those trees as well. So it was pretty cool. Whew. I need to do some more manual labor. That was a little bit tiring. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. That's my first time ever using a chainsaw. That was the DeWalt 60V 16-inch bar. It handled all that wood easily. It's cedar. I don't know if cedar's soft. I assume so. It was cutting through like butter. It used one bar on the battery, and that battery's been sitting, so it's not like fully peaked up or anything. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, if you did, think about subscribing to the channel. We're trying to grow the channel. We're at 182 subscribers. Got a long ways to go for that first big goal of 1,000 subscribers. Hopefully you guys can help me get there. Hope you enjoyed the content. Give us a big thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. If you did not enjoy the video, give it a thumbs down. Give me a comment down below. I'm sure there were some safety issues. Out here in tennis shoes, no chaps. I did have eyes on. Didn't need ear protection for that since it's battery operated. But there's always room for improvement for safety. Definitely want to get some chaps as I start doing this more. But I just wanted to try it out. I know you are saying, well, that's how accidents happen. And I understand that. I was trying to be super careful. See you guys on the next one. Bye for now.